Good day, guys. My name is Alfredo Masso from Boundless Builders, and I'm filming this video to present you with a product that not only will save you probably thousands of dollars, but it will make you look with your customers as a hero with the look of their finished showers. This is a standard drain, brand new shower pan. So what you're gonna do, you're going to unscrew this. The QM provides this adapter, which is pretty unique. So I already put the adapter that goes in place of the regular shower drain. It comes with its thread, and it comes with that gasket that would hold the stainless steel pan. So move this around, you can see that this is off center. That way the long side goes towards the center of the shower, which is about there. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze this in. So I already placed the drain pan in. Then I grab my level that comes in the box, and you can see this thing is way off level, but it comes with levelers that you can cut and put underneath. That way this thing is absolutely level to put your tile. So they bring this tool, which you can lift the cover, and this brings a little basket. You can see, so this holds any hair or any jewelry, pretty much anything that if you drop and it goes away, you'll have it right there. I'm going to show you again the way you take out the cover. Got this key, and that's it. This is my magic wand. You use this once and you don't want to use another brand anymore. This is an off-center existing drain on a remodeling. Even in a new construction, it's almost impossible to do a perfect center drain. And this is a perfect solution. So the other side. Okay, so we already put both tiles, whole shower, 2 tiles. This is amazing. I mean, thanks to QM drains. I haven't seen any other manufacturers that has this magnificent solution. Now, I will put my wall tile on top of this, and I will always have access to the drain because it's only this portion from here to there. Okay, I already finished cleaning the whole shower tiles and installation. I gotta install the drain basket, as you can see, that hole. And here's the cover. That's it.